Welcome to Blackjack Special.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, Blackjack Special, back with another video for you guys. All right, so for today's video, we're actually gonna take a look at these beautiful headlights right here. We're actually gonna swap out these custom headlights. I'm gonna go back to the OEM headlights. So one thing I didn't really mention about these headlights are that I actually don't have a low beam and I don't have a high beam. So all I have pretty much is the fog lights. I mean, it looks good, you could change colors. The demon eye actually never worked since I got these headlights that I was supposed to get as well. So I have to go take the car to my tuner and get that code erased. So what I wanted to do is I wanted to swap these out right now, put the OEM ones back in so I could see properly, you know, better lighting. And we're probably actually gonna end up selling these headlights as well. So these headlights are for sale. I'm sure you guys know by now, I have the car up on Facebook Market. So whoever comes with the offer or whatever I'm looking for, I'll let the car go. I want to hold on to the car, but like I said, you know, I have to get rid of it. I kind of need the money right now, so that's where we're at right now. So today we're just gonna swap these headlights out for now. The car is still gonna be here, right? Might end up having the car till summer, who knows, or might end up keeping the car. We'll see, right? But as of right now, it is for sale, and I'm actually gonna take out the headlights, and the headlights are gonna be for sale, all right? So these aftermarket headlights were done by a company called SoCal Retrofit. They're actually on Instagram. You guys can go hit them up if you guys want your custom, get your headlights done. So these were aftermarket headlights that they built. So I kept my OEM headlights. Let me show you guys the OEM headlights. So here it is, guys. It's my OEM headlights for this side. So we're gonna pop these guys back in. Hopefully I still have the light bulb somewhere. And yeah, we're gonna run these guys for now, and we're gonna hold on to these custom ones unless someone comes with an offer and wants to buy them. Then I can, then I'm gonna let them go because I need the money right now. I'm not too worried about that. If I end up keeping the car, I can always get my actual OEM headlights built, which is what I wanted to do in the first place. But I wasn't sure how it was gonna end up turning. I wasn't sure how it was going to turn out, so I didn't want to send my OEM headlights and then they get fucked up, get ruined. So these ones turned out pretty good, so I might end up building these guys pretty much the same spec what you see right here, and yeah, for the future. But yeah, for now we're just gonna get rid of these, pop these guys out, pop the OEM ones back in for now. And we're also got a bolt that we have to replace on the driver's side rear. We got one bolt that ended up breaking because I guess I torqued it a little bit too tight. So we're gonna end up popping that out. The spacer, pop a new bolt in as well, and put on one of those extra lug nuts that I have in the meantime. All right, guys, let's get into the video. Okay, guys, so for the headlights, actually 4 bolts, not 3. So there's one right here, one over here, one in here, and then the other one at the side here. Okay, 4 bolts total to remove the headlights. So we got one headlight here. Just gotta get these clips out now. So 3, right? One's supposed to be for the demon eye, one is for the sequential strip, and the other one is for the halos. All right, that's why there's 3 separate harnesses here. Yeah, that's how I had everything wired. Put the modules right here, Had some tie wraps right there. I did my thing, man. I did my thing. Bonded it here. Probably not the best spot. Probably should have bonded somewhere inside, but yeah. Anyways, guys, let's get all this shit out and get the new headlight in. Remember, you guys could check out the video and on the install of these aftermarket headlights, all right? If you guys want to see how I did everything, what for what, all right? Check that video out. All right, so we spliced in right here, negative. We spliced in right here, positive, okay? And we also have a fuse right here, so, okay? We're not just running straight to the battery. We actually have a fuse here. So, yeah, that's how I did that. I'm just gonna disconnect this guy, disconnect that guy, and then we can pull the whole thing out, all right? If you notice, guys, pretty empty right here. So we're gonna try and put that reservoir back in for the windshield fluid. I had it out for the longest time because my first setup I had the intake sitting pretty much right around here. So the shop couldn't really put it back in. So they left it out. I'm like, okay, fine, whatever. Not a big deal. So I'm gonna try and actually put it back in right now because obviously the intakes are now in the front here. So we should be able to pop it back in. Believe that's what this little hose is for. All right, we're gonna do that as well. So yeah, let's keep going. Okay, we got the bumper back on. Next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the back wheel off and we're gonna remove the spacer, knock that bolt out that's broken and replace it with a proper bolt. And then yeah, we should be good, man. I'm gonna torque this to spec. We're almost done, guys, so I'll show you. I honestly had some old wheel spacers that I used to have in the front. So I end up using one of these bolts to replace that bolt that's broken in the back there. You just gotta use one of these, thread it on, and then you can hit it with a hammer so you can get those get the bolt out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we're good to go. We're just torquing everything here to spec, and then we're gonna get the wheel back on, lower this thing, and yeah, see what we're looking like. All right, guys, so we're gonna have to end the video right here. Let me show you guys what we're looking like now. Whoo! This is what she's looking like, guys. Back to the OEM headlights. Back to the OEM headlights. She still looks good, man. Still looks good. So, now we have a little gap right there in the wheel. I'm gonna actually drop it a little bit. The reason why I raised it is because I'm having a lot of issues with the vibrant resonators that I have. They actually scrape a lot, right, in a lot of places, so I just didn't want that, but it looks so much better being a little bit lower. All right, guys, so we're back to these headlights. So like I said, when those guys from SoCal Retrofit sent me the lights, there were no actual light bulbs in there for the low beam. I noticed, like, there's a spot for the light bulb, but the light bulb wasn't in there, and there's no way of really getting the light bulb in the back. So I don't know, I gotta spend some more time with the lights, look at them a little bit closer and see if there's something I could have done. Also, I noticed when I did install the headlights, the place that I grounded the headlights probably wasn't the greatest, so I don't know if that's why the demonize wasn't working, but I have no idea. But it was supposed to get demonized, and the demonize didn't work. Not a big deal, because I end up rushing those guys anyways. I was like, yo, hurry up, I need my headlights, blah, blah, blah. So they probably end up rushing the headlights to me, and that's how we end up getting maybe some stuff got missed. So I kind of take that as my fault. It's not a big deal. And like I said, we're gonna actually build the OEM headlights the way we want them, because that's exactly what I want. Yeah, guys, I have an appointment with my tuner on Monday. So Monday we're gonna drop off the G. We're actually just gonna go up there. He said it'll only be like half an hour or so. He's gonna actually erase that code, because you know last time I had that issue with the car going into limp mode. So that was pertaining to that VVEL sensor. But the sensor, everything was fixed, everything's back in range. So he's just gonna delete the code, so we should be good to go. And hopefully we don't get that jerk thing anymore, because that was also another issue. But once I cleaned the mass airflow and once I checked the intakes and everything was connected properly, I end up cleaning the throttle body as well. And I didn't really get that jerk thing, but the car did go into limp mode after. So hopefully once he deletes this code, the car is 100% running and 100% working, all right? We don't want any more hiccups. We don't want any more delays. We want this G to be running, no issues, so we can actually do some videos before someone come and offer me some money for it, hopefully. All right, so I'm gonna have to end the video right here. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you're not subscribed to the channel, come on, show your boy some love, drop a like, share the video, subscribe. You know what I'm saying? Let's build this channel. You know what I mean? And I like the people who tell me videos that they would like to see. As you guys notice, if you see in the comments, someone drop a comment saying they want to see a video on something, I'll make sure I drop a video. All right, I'll make sure 100%. All right, guys, don't forget to hit me up on Instagram. All right, follow me on Instagram. You can talk to me on Instagram and leave me a message. I'll probably respond like almost right away. All right, okay, guys. So one love. Be safe out there. Peace.
I've been to myself, just me lately. I don't need a lot. I don't need a lot, no. Just me and the fam, few friends ain't playing. I don't speak a lot, and I can't stop. And I can't stop. And I can't stop. And I can't stop. I'm that cash money getter, big show stopper. 4 kids having no chain rocker. Make my business, work my business. Count